a negative 1/3 minus 2/5. You need a common denominator before you do anything else. What is the common denominator between 3 and 5? 15, yeah. Keep your signs the same. What is 15 divided by 3? 5. What's 1 times 5? What's 15 divided by 5? 3. So what's 2 times 3? So now you just look at the numerators. What is a negative 5 minus 6? I can't hear you over all the slamming lockers out in the hallway. Negative what? No, think of it like this. Negative 5 minus 6. That's the same thing as negative 5 plus a negative 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negatives and 6 negatives. How many negatives do I have? So it's negative 11. So back up here, the answer is a negative 11 over 15. What is the common denominator between 6 and 4? You could use 24, and we'll do that. We will use 24. What is 24 divided by 6? So what is 5 times 4? That bell drowned you out, but did you say 20? Yeah, it is 20. 24 divided by 4 is what? 6. So what's 1 times 6? 6. So don't forget the plus and negative in there as well. Okay. You can look at the numerators now. What is 20 plus a negative 6? 14 is right. 14 over 24. But that's not our final answer. And the reason why is because we did not use the least common denominator, which would have been what? 12, right. But you can still use 24. The only problem is you're going to have to reduce more than likely once you get to an answer. What is the highest number that will divide into 14 and 24? Six won't go into 14. 2 is right. If I divide 14 and 24 by 2, what do I get on top? What's 14 divided by 2? 24 divided by 2. There's your answer. You must know how to convert to an improper fraction when you're given 3 and 1/4, for example. What is 4 times 3? What's 12 plus 1? 13 over 4 is the improper fraction from 3 and 1/4. What do I do first? Not 3 times 3. 3 times 4 is what? And then what? Plus this 3, and then put it over what? 4. What's the answer? 15 over 4, yeah. What do I do first? 5 times 5 is what? And then what? Plus 2 over 5, what's the answer? That's right. I think you've got that. You should be able to convert to a mixed number given something like 11 over 6, an improper fraction. How many times will 6 go into 11 without going over? Once. What's 11 minus 6? 5. So 1 and 5/6. is the mixed number from 11 over 6. How many times will 11 go into 21 without going over? Once. 11 times 1 is 11. What's 21 minus 11? 10. 1 and 10 elevenths. 2 1/2 minus 1 1/3. Change these both to improper fractions. What's 2 times 2? 4. What's 4 plus 1? So 5 over 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, so now they're both improper fractions. What is the common denominator between 2 and 3? 6. 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. So what's 5 times 3? 15. What's 6 divided by 3? 3. Should be 2. And then what's 4 times 2? 8. So we have the same denominator. We can subtract the numerators now. What's 15 minus 8? 7. So it's 7 over 6. But we want to change that 7 over 6 to a mixed number. How many times will 6 go into 7? With how many left over? 1 1/6 is the answer. Negative 3 2/3 minus a negative 1 3/4. We can rewrite this problem by changing these two signs to what? Plus, yeah, it becomes a plus because it's a double negative. So let's do that now. 3 2/3, negative 3 2/3 plus 1 3/4. Okay, let's convert to improper fractions. Keep that negative sign. What's 3 times 3? What's 9 plus 2? 11. So negative 11 over 3. 4 times 1 plus 3. There we go. What's the common denominator between 4 and 3? 12. 12 divided by 3 is what? So 11 times 4 is what? Yeah, 44. 12 divided by 4 is what? What's 3 times 7? Okay, so you have to do a negative 44 plus 21. And negative 44 plus 21 is a negative 23. Input that over 12. Let's convert to a mixed number. How many times will 12 go into 23? What's 23 minus 12? How much? 11, yeah. So a negative 1 11/12.